you today? Miss Lydia hope that you are feeling great for today. So, are you ready for today's lesson? Great! Now, let's begin! For today's cultural study lesson, you will need this worksheet. For this worksheet, we are going to draw the clock and also write the time according to your schedule at home. Jadi, untuk tugas anak-anak hari ini, anak-anak harus menggambarkan jarum jam dan juga jarum menit, lalu menuliskan jam berapa yang ditunjukkan oleh jamnya dan diisi sesuai dengan jadwal anak-anak masing-masing di rumah. But before we start doing the task, do you still remember what Miss Lydia have taught you about time and clock? Do you still remember how many main parts that a clock has? That's correct. There are 3 main parts of the clock. The first one is the clock face. The second one is the short hand or hour hand. And the third is long hand or minute hand. Apakah anak-anak masih ingat ada berapa bagian jam yang utama? Ya, yang pertama adalah clock face atau wajah jam. Yang kedua adalah jarum pendek atau jarum jam. Dan yang ketiga adalah jarum panjang atau jarum menit. The short hand always show us the hour of the day, while the long hand always shows us the minute of the day. Jadi, jarum pendek selalu menunjukkan jam pada saat ini. Sedangkan jarum panjangnya selalu menunjukkan menit pada hari ini. So, for example, if the short hand is on number 3 and the long hand is on number 12, it means that it is 3 o'clock. Jadi, kalau jarum pendeknya menunjuk ke angka 3 dan jarum panjangnya menunjuk ke angka 12, berarti pada saat itu sedang jam 3. Now, let's try to do the worksheet. Miss Lydia will show you how to do it. So, as usual, before we start, please don't forget to write down your name and the date of today. Hold the pencil like this and then write it. Write your own. Just like that. Now, let's try to do the worksheet. Let's take a look at this sentence. I wake up at. Now, what you have to do is write down the time when you wake up at your home. For example, Miss Lydia always wake up at 5 o'clock. So, Miss Lydia will write down 5 o'clock. Just like that. Now, what Miss Lydia have to do is draw the short hand and the long hand according to this time. Just like this. Like that. Now let's try for another one. Mari kita baca kalimatnya terlebih dahulu. I eat lunch at. Aku makan siang pada jam. Miss Lydia selalu makan siang tepat jam 1 siang. Jadi, Miss Lydia harus menuliskan jam 1 di bawah sini. Seperti itu. Lalu, Miss Lydia harus menggambarkan jarum jam dan juga jarum menit sesuai dengan jam yang sudah Miss Lydia tulis di sini. Seperti ini. Okay, Miss Lydia is done. Please do the same thing at your home. To fill in the blank, you have to write down the time when you do all of these schedules. And after that, you have to draw the clock hands. Don't forget to draw the short hand or the hour hand shorter than the long hand or the minute hand. Untuk tugas anak-anak di rumah, anak-anak harus mengisi bagian kosong di bawah ini sesuai dengan jadwal anak-anak di rumah setiap harinya. Setelah anak-anak menuliskan jam di mana kalian melakukan kegiatan tersebut, anak-anak harus menggambarkan jarum jamnya. Jangan lupa untuk menggambarkan jarum jam ataupun jarum pendek lebih pendek daripada jarum menit ataupun jarum panjang. If you are done doing all the tasks Miss Lydia gave to you, please say the time and your schedule. Jadi, kalau kalian sudah menyelesaikan mengisi semua jam di jadwal masing-masing, kalian bisa membacakan jadwal kalian. For example, I wake up at 5 o'clock. How about you? What time do you wake up? Please read it. Then, read again. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. You have to tell Miss Lydia, what time do you eat your lunch? Jadi setelah anak-anak sudah menyelesaikan semua tugas yang Miss Lydia berikan, mengisi jam sesuai dengan jadwal kalian, menggambarkan jarum jamnya, lalu anak-anak harus membacakan jadwal tersebut, seperti yang Miss Lydia contohkan. I wake up at 5 o'clock. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. If you are done with your task, please send a short video to Miss Lydia about you doing all the tasks and then read your schedule. Okay? Kalau anak-anak sudah selesai mengerjakan tugasnya, tolong kirim video pendek ke Miss Lydia yang berisi anak-anak sedang mengerjakan tugasnya dan juga membacakan jadwal yang sudah anak-anak tulis di worksheet yang kalian kerjakan. Miss Lydia will be waiting for all your tasks. Bye everyone!